After 50, life isn't about endings, it's about new beginnings. The world may say your best chapters are behind you, but what if your most exciting story is just starting? With the wisdom of experience, you can step into a new light. Imagine a sunrise over calm water. This is what life after 50 can feel like. The rush fades, clarity remains. You know who you are and what you value. This is your superpower, making choices from passion, not obligation. Now is the time to ask, what do I want? Not selfish, but essential. Let's set aside expectations and dream again, with practical wisdom as our guide. The path ahead is uncertain, but filled with possibility. You have everything you need to navigate it. The curtain is rising on your second act. Embracing a new beginning isn't always easy. Doubt creeps in. Am I too old? Are my skills outdated? These fears are common, but they're just stories. Technology changes fast, and it's easy to feel left behind. Fear can paralyze, but it's also a signpost for growth. Financial worries are real, but don't let them become a cage. Start small, take a class, try a side project, volunteer. Each step builds confidence. The deepest fear is invisibility, feeling unseen after a certain age. But your experience is your greatest asset. Wisdom, resilience, and emotional intelligence can't be taught. They're earned. Learn to showcase them. You're more relevant than ever. Meet Carol. After 30 years as a legal secretary, she was laid off at 58. Instead of giving up, she pursued her love of gardening and now runs a thriving landscaping business. Maria left corporate marketing at 52, discovered pottery, and now teaches classes in her home studio. Sarah, a nurse, became a health coach, blending her medical knowledge with a new passion. These aren't rare stories. They're happening everywhere. These women refused to be invisible. They listened to their inner voice and took small steps forward. Their skills and wisdom became the foundation for their next chapter. They didn't erase their pasts, they built on them. It's not about starting from scratch. It's about starting from experience. Your second act can be your best act. The only limit is your imagination. How do you begin? Start with your mindset. See this time as an opportunity, not a crisis. Write down your fears, then list one small action to counter each. If you feel outdated, research an online course. Rebuild your skills. Try certificate programs or workshops. Prove to yourself you can still learn and adapt. Frame your experience as a strength, not a gap. Highlight accomplishments and wisdom on your resume. Your age is a selling point. Showcase your stability and knowledge. Don't be afraid to start over in a new way. Consulting, freelancing, or a small business. The gig economy offers flexibility to test new waters. Design a work life that fits you. One of the greatest gifts now is community. Connect with women on similar journeys. Join groups, find mentors, or become one. Share your story and listen to others. Remember the value of your life experience, empathy, resilience, and leadership. Employers crave these soft skills. Embrace being a beginner again. It's freeing and powerful. Your fresh perspective, combined with experience, is unique. Own it with grace. Your story isn't over. The world needs your voice. It's never too late for a new passion or purpose. Step forward with quiet confidence. The next chapter is waiting, and it might just be your best one yet.